Welcome to the University of Georgia. About 4 months ago, I decided, or it was decided for me, however you want to see it, that I would write a commentary on the 81 chapters of Lao Tzu's Tao Te Ching. Now, I knew I wouldn't be writing a commentary in the ordinary way because of other ways I have written, and it turned out to be the case. The first morning I got up, 2 a.m. or so, which is my usual rising time, I was accompanied by Jesus and Lao Tzu, who became my intimate friends over the next 4 months. They would meet me almost every morning and give me a surprise as to what the commentary would be that particular day. I'll start out in this video with chapter 81 and work my way backwards to chapter 1 of the Tao Te Ching. True words aren't eloquent. Eloquent words aren't true. Wise men don't need to prove their point. Men who need to prove their point aren't wise. The master has no possessions. The more he does for others, the happier he is. The more he gives to others, the wealthier he is. The Tao nourishes by not forcing, by not dominating. The master leads. And that's Stephen Mitchell's translation of chapter 81. Jesus, Lao Tzu, and I strolled over to the university. "Where is everybody?" I asked. "Spring break," said Lao Tzu. "They have been released." We walked into an empty classroom and sat down. Jesus arose and walked over to the large board at the front of the room. "Time for a spiritual math lesson," he said. He wrote 1 + 1 on the board. "What do you think of that?" he asked. "Well, now you've got 2, said Lao Tzu. "That's this world, the world of duality, the horizontal world of linear time," said Jesus. I said, "My grandfather once asked me, when you have to and you don't want to, what do?" They looked at me. "You give one away," I said. Lao Tzu groaned. Jesus smiled. He wrote 1 × 1 on the board. "Ah," said Lao Tzu, tilting his head back and spreading wide his arms, "that's it." "What's it?" I asked, frowning. "What is 1 × 1? asked Jesus. "1, I said, still looking confused. "Spiritual math," said Jesus. "If you are looking for God, the wellspring, the source, the origin, you do not add yourself, you merge. 1 × 1 is the spiritual path," said Lao Tzu. "It is not out here," said Jesus, erasing the board. "It is within you." We left the building arm in arm, a strong and gentle force, merging and on the move.